In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post blog using Zoho sites. First, open your browser and head to the Zoho sites homepage. This is where everything starts. On the top right, click Sign In. If you use Google for your Zoho account, choose the Sign In with Google option, then select the Google account you want to use. Once you're in, you'll land on your Zoho sites dashboard. From here, select the site or project where you want to publish your blog. After the site opens, look for the blog section in the left or top navigation of the builder and open it. This is your blog management area. Click Add Post to create a new article. Start by entering your post title. Keep it clear and descriptive because your title often becomes the first thing readers and search engines see. Aim for something concise that tells people exactly what the post is about. Next, write and edit the content of your post. Use the editor to format text with headings, bold or italic styling, and lists when needed. Break long paragraphs into shorter, scannable sections. Add images or media to support your message, and include alt text for accessibility. If you link to other pages on your site, consider using descriptive anchor text to help readers and search engines understand the connection. As you write, think about your audience's questions and keep your tone consistent with your brand. When your draft looks good, open Post Preferences. Here you can fine-tune important details before publishing. Configure the post URL, also called the slug. Keep it short, lowercase, and keyword-focused, using hyphens between words. Avoid changing this later because it can affect shared links and search results. Select the appropriate category for your post so it's organized on your site and easier for readers to find. Pick the single best fit if possible. Clear organization helps both navigation and SEO. Then add tags. Tags are helpful keywords that group related topics together. Use a handful of accurate, specific tags rather than too many broad ones. Finally, decide how you want to finish. If you're ready for the world to see it, click Publish Post and your article will go live on your site. If you want to revisit it later or get feedback, choose Save Draft. Saving a draft keeps everything intact without making it public yet. That's it. You've signed in, opened your site, created a post, refined the preferences, and published or saved it. Follow these steps each time you post, and your blog will stay organized, readable, and ready to grow.